about the last New Year's Eve party you were invited to. You said yes, right? Now imagine that single yes was the first domino to fall in a plot of vicious, calculated revenge. This is the story of David and Sarah, a rock-solid couple, the kind everyone knows and loves, a civil engineer and a teacher. Their life was a picture of stability. December 31st, 2009, St. Louis is buzzing, ready for a fresh start. David and Sarah had one simple plan, a party at their friend's house, just a few miles away. They put on their coats, they walked out their door, and they vanished into the night. But this isn't just a story about two people who didn't come home. This is about what was waiting for them, a trap set by a face they knew. A plot so personal, so cold, it would take investigators years to unravel the why. The countdown began, the fireworks exploded, and while the city celebrated a new beginning, a very old grudge was finally getting its terrifying end.